Wow, this is so different. You guys are so close now, like you could see my dreams. Anyway, we are going to be playing with a little giftie that I got from Tarte that I bought myself. And we're gonna unbox that and do a little test. And I will see you in a minute. So, how are you guys? I hope you're doing well. So I decided, quick backstory. I had purchased the Tarte Shape Tape Matte Foundation, and I really like it. But I find that with my skin being so dry that there's a lot of things that need to happen for me to use this. I like this for coverage for evening. Like for my brother's wedding, it was fantastic, and this didn't move. Like, it was great. But I wanted something with the same quality but for every day. So before we got on camera today, I used my Glow Recipe drops, 2 drops, just to give me some hydration. And I had some of this Glam Glow Starter left. I told you guys, the only thing I don't like about this is the smell, but wow, like I am so hydrated and plump and everything. So here's the box. And inside, oops, we got her upside down, sorry. Inside, okay, this is what you get. And what I got was the Tarte Foundcealer. Now, I went on Tarte's website, so I'll tell you guys about this stuff. Gotta put on the glasses. So let's go down here. So the Babassu Foundcealer is a vegan skincare foundation, aka your total complexion solution. This vegan makeup and skincare hybrid delivers an ultra comfortable, natural, radiant finish and medium customizable coverage so you can live your day your way. What it does, it helps hydrate and give the appearance of plumper skin while minimizing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. I'm liking this already. Formulated with nourishing Super Balm Babassu. I don't know what that is. Essential fatty acids and antioxidants. Well, that's always good. Let you live your day your way. Ways to play. Light coverage, apply with fingertips. Light to medium coverage, use the Babassu Foundcealer latex-free sponge. Medium coverage, of course, use the Foundcealer cruelty-free brush. Okay, well, today, because this is going to be a wear test, I have to go and have my acupuncture appointment, which, if any of you have been, you know that sometimes you are required to lay face down, which I'm hoping today I get the opportunity to do, because I want to see if this baby falls off or rubs off. Now, I'm expecting that a bit of it is going to. But I'm also hoping that it's very comfortable to wear. It seems very liquidy. So this is your bottle. It's plastic, which is a little bit, I gotta say, like, for me, I like a good expensive feeling bottle. Like, this one's glass. Like, this one feels kind of cheap, gotta be honest. And yeah, I'll put like what it costs and everything like over here or up here for you so you can see. So it took me a minute going online to figure out that you got to open it like that. So this is a twisty guy. And I'm going to apply it with my fingertips because I don't want a lot of coverage today. And since that is something that they suggested, then I say we do it their way, to be fair. All right? And I know for you, for anybody that's a little bit younger, we didn't have sponges and all of that when we used to apply our foundation. And I find sometimes that with the warmth of your hand, you can sometimes work a foundation that's being a little bit fussy a little bit easier. I have to say, this is a lot, it feels a lot creamier and a lot less dry than the other one, which of course it is a matte foundation. But again, remember I was telling you my issues were that the hydration that I needed to have it look pretty was pretty bad. Like, I had to fair soak in moisturizer to get this stuff to look good. First my nose, wow, that's unusual for me. I have a lot of texture on my nose and it looks really nice. I don't know if you guys can tell, I'm gonna come in real close for you. But you can see, like, I have fine lines, but it sits so beautifully on the skin, like really, really nice. It's tacky right now. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna give it a couple minutes to dry, come back and see if it's set down any and if I actually have to use like a setting powder. I'm hoping I don't, because I really don't want to wear a lot of makeup today. Okay, I've left it for 5 minutes and guys, it is stunning. Now it is a little bit tacky, so I think I am going to have to set it, and that's okay. I don't mind setting it a little bit. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to pop on a little bit of mascara and some powder, a little bit of blush and a lip gloss. I'll be back and I'll tell you my thoughts so far. Alrighty, so the face is done. So along with the Foundcealer, I used the Magic Star setting powder in Topaz and a very, very conservative dusting, because you can still see I have a little bit of glow and I didn't want to lose that. It feels pretty set down now and quite comfortable actually. Then let's see, I was just gonna put like a little mascara and lip gloss, but that didn't happen. So of course the Park Avenue Princess and or Park Ave Princess, sorry, from Tarte. Let's see, we used I used Carrot, which is right here, and Princess Cut to just give me a little bit of color, and then gave it a little dusting all over my face, which I am becoming a huge fan of doing because it gives me color. And then I used the Marcel Perfect Brow to just give my brows a little bit of oomph. I didn't want to go crazy, and the L'Oreal Telescopic in Carbon Black for my lashes. And I was going to put a lip gloss on, but by an accident, I grabbed the Lunar Beauty Daydream because it was right beside the lip gloss. I started putting it on and said, well, I guess I'm wearing it. And then I figured, well, you're on a roll. So I topped it with Lunar Beauty's lip gloss, Dreamy. So got the set on. And that my dears, is about it. So I will catch you later. It is about 10:30 in the morning. My appointment is not until 5:15. So I'm going to wear this all day. I will come back around 3, check in with you. You can see how it's holding up. And then we'll see it after my appointment, which I'll be scared because it's probably going to be all off by then, or not. It's almost 1 o'clock, and I thought I would come into the light so you guys could see what it looks like in natural lighting. And it's amazing. It is it's quite pretty. I mean, you can see, obviously, you know, I have wrinkles because I am, you know, I am the age I am, but it is really looking pretty. Like I really like it. And it's still very nice. It's not tacky or anything, so we'll see what happens. Hi guys, it's around 3 o'clock, so I just wanted to come and do a check-in. Obviously I've had lunch, so my lipstick is off, but as you can see, I'm getting shiny, which when you have dry skin is not a bad thing because I look still very radiant, which I enjoy. It still feels really nice. It doesn't feel oily, okay? Like, even though I have like a glow going on, where I'm shiny, it's not, it doesn't feel bad. I'm starting, if you can see from my glasses, it's starting to come off, but I don't think there's gonna be a foundation, at least. Whoa, my hair is, she's growing. I gotta get a haircut. I don't think there's gonna be a foundation, at least not one that I know of, that is gonna stay put for that. Like, I've always been a slave to having to touch up, so I'm not really counting that. But otherwise, so far so good. Hi guys, it's around 7:15 and just got back from dinner. Actually, I went to my acupuncture appointment and it all worked out perfect because she did it face down, which was exactly what I was hoping for, because then we could see how much rub off there was. And then went out to dinner with my husband. So let's have a look. So as you can see from laying down, it's pretty well off from around my eyes. And you can see the line here where it gets dark here, and then it's pretty well gone here because of the pad that you lay in. Around my chin is pretty well gone. This is horrible. I hate to do this to you. It's settled, I don't know if you can pick it up on camera, it's settled right into my, my frown lines, and on my nose it's pretty well gone. And there's like texture, like you can really see, you know, the discoloration and everything that I do have on my nose naturally. However, considering I had it on from this morning and it never did claim to be no 24-hour business, and normally I would touch up through the day. So what do I think of the Tarte Foundcealer? I think as an everyday foundation and something just light to toss on so that you can, you know, go out and about, go shopping and live your life like I did, I think this is a win. I still do not like the plastic. I don't like that. And for $51, I would have liked to have a glass bottle, but you can't have everything. But the product inside did pretty good. And I think, again, like I said, if I had have touched up or done anything like that, like, you wouldn't be, you know, smashing your face around on a pillow like I did today normally, but it's all good. So you guys, if you want to see more reviews like this where I do a wear test, let me know down below and I will do that for you. And until next time, I love you like mad. Bye for now.